Finally, I can trade. Hey, Mom. No, I can't come to fix your internet. I'm trading. Okay, fine. I'll be right over. Look, life is hectic. It always gets in the way of my trading, which is why I use a trade copier. It takes trading ideas from Telegram and pushes them directly to my trading account, opening trades, modifying stops, and closing trades when they hit stop loss or take profit. Now, I developed a free version of the copier so you can copy trades directly from my free Telegram. In 2025, the room has a 75% win rate. Obviously, this is no promise or guarantee of future results, but if you want free access, stick around, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's copy some trades. Let's start today with a quick illustration of the simple copier process. Let's say you're in my free trading room. I give you a buy trade just like this, with the take profit, with the stop loss, and then the copier takes all of this information. You just have to make a few simple adjustments like selecting the room that you're in, if you're in free, if you're in VIP, if you're in gold, if you're in Arabic, and I'll go through some of the more advanced settings a little bit later. Then, like what happened 6 days ago, you could see I moved my take profit, then smashed that take profit, and I profited, and I had a nice profit on this trade automatically sent to my MetaTrader 4. Obviously, my past results don't promise anything in the future. Now, before we go into the installation, let's just take a look at my free trading room. You can see 78,591 people in here. They're all real. And if I scroll up here, you could see I'm constantly sending trades. The trade I was talking about was this one right here. And then you scroll down a little bit, you could see I won that trade right there. This is that exact free trade. You can see we broke through my level of support here. A simple break and retest setup that went absolutely perfect. And I sent this to thousands and thousands of traders and smashed my take profit. And just a week before that, we had this trade. Price was respecting the higher time frame support. We had the trend line get broken right there, so I sent the trade and it pushed up, smashed that take profit so damn fast. Now you may be saying, what's with these risk reward ratios? Why is it only 1-to-1? Well, these are free trades only, so don't complain. But the copier does work on my VIP trades as well. And this here was a gold trade I had for 1.8%, smashing my take profit. And an incredibly fast Euro USD trade that went for 4%. So now you see I've got the skills. Let's get you into the free trade copier. I'm going to make this really simple for you. Let's start with step 1, downloading Telegram on your PC. So just type telegram.org and come down to right here, Telegram for PC and Linux. Get Telegram for Windows x64. Just click on that right there. Click on the setup, then click OK. Now you have Telegram installed. For step 2, all we have to do is join the free room. The link to that is in the video description, or you can type t.me/tradewithpat free in your browser. It'll take you to this page right here. Click View in Telegram and click Join on the bottom. And that quickly, we're into phase 2, MetaTrader. We just want to download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. To do this, you can use any platform you like. Obviously, I use Fintura. You can see I've had a bunch of withdrawals with the broker this year. So I love Fintura. The link to Fintura is in the video description if you want to use this broker yourself. Once you're logged in, just come to the left here, click Download Platform. You're just going to want to download MT4 on your Windows desktop, just like that. And let's click on the setup, let this thing install, click next, and then here you are in your trading platform. It's that simple. You have that thing installed. And the last step is just logging into your trade account. So just come up here to File, click Login, and you'll be able to put your login and your password here. As for server, click Fintura Live if it's a live account, Click demo if it's a demo account. And in your email address is where Fintura will send you the login and the password. It'll also be in the members area. Now we're getting into the fun stuff, the TWP Copier. Step 1, let's download the TWP Copier 1.08, or maybe it's a later version when you're watching this video because I update this all the time. Come back to the free Telegram channel, and at the top, click where it says pinned message. Click on that right there, and there's the free Copier download right here. So let's open that sucker up. I'm gonna create a new folder here. Gonna call that Copier. I'm gonna just take everything in here. I'm gonna drag it in there. Then I'm coming into MQL, MQL5, experts. Now you wanna come back into the trading platform. This is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Click File, click Open Data Folder, click MQL4 or MQL5, and then come to Experts. In MetaTrader 5, it'll be called Advisors. Now you're just going to take both of those files and drag them right into there. Then when you come back into MetaTrader, just right-click Refresh in the navigator. That is this one right here. This is the navigator. Come to Expert Advisors, and now you have the Copier. Now, before we get into the settings, there's one more thing we have to do is come into Files right here, Telegram to MT4, and you have to run the Telegram connector version 103. Click More Info, run anyway. Enter the phone number of your account, so 1 blah blah blah. I'm not going to show you my number. Then you're going to get sent a login code. Just enter that, and then you're successfully signed in, and just minimize that and leave that open. In order for this to work, you need that open, Telegram open, and MetaTrader open. They can all be minimized, obviously. So now the Copier is installed. We just have to put it on the chart. So I showed you the navigator right here. Come to the navigator, take the TWP Copier 1.08, drag it on the chart. It could be any chart, and it only has to be on one chart. So first thing, you'll want to read the terms of service. And then once you've read it, you can select yes or no. Then come down to channel name, and you'll want to select the channel you're in. If you're in the free room, select free. If you're in the gold room or the VIP room, select those. If you're in both VIP and gold, open 2 charts, run it on each. Let's select free for now. So in the free room, what you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to have this at 0, and then risk factor TP1, TP2. You can have this, since there's only one take profit in the free room, you'd have this at 1%. That would risk 1% of your account per trade. Then if we scroll down right here, you're just going to want to put partial close to 0. That is a VIP function where it opens one trade, closes a partial halfway, and then lets the rest of the trade run. So for the free room, these are the settings you want to use. For the VIP room, you could stick to the defaults. Then just click OK right here. Make sure that auto trading up here is green. And if you ever want to access the Copier, right click, go to Expert Advisors, Properties, and come over here to Common. Make sure you allow live trading, allow DLL imports, or it won't trade. And that's really it. I showed you step 3, adjust the settings, but we do have one more phase, which is analyze the trades. Step 1, analyze the trades you receive. Step 2, keep or remove the trade based on your rules and your analysis. Don't just copy me blindly. If you get a trade like this one that I sent you, just take a look at it, do your own analysis, and decide if you agree with the analysis that I'm doing. That's the last step. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment, smash that like button, maybe watch this video right here. Definitely watch this video right here. Make sure to join the VIP room to get the most out of this Copier, and I'll be back next week. Much love.